Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're working on the house yet again. It's actually the same day I ended out the last video. So we just called it quits for the day. We gotta go grab some stuff. So we're gonna go back to Lowe's, grab some sandpaper, some paint to do the front door of the house, as well as some sandpaper, I might have said that already, and a few other things. So we're gonna go do that, eat, and I gotta get a video uploaded for y'all, so I'm gonna make my grandpa drive. But anyway, I think the goal for this video is we want to paint. So this is Saturday. What time is it? About 6:10, somewhere in there. 6:10, 6:15. So we want to try to paint tomorrow, if at all possible. I don't want to paint the front door like this color blue, or like my shirt. We might do that, we might not. That front door, it's got a bunch of dents and stuff in it. It's got windows, and the trim around the windows is curling, so it might not even be worth it to paint that door. I don't know, but we might do that, we might not. So we'll just have to see. But like I said, need some sandpaper, need some stuff to repair sheetrock. Couch is out. We took the couch out, put it down here. The refrigerator is in the shop. Got it off the front porch. So hopefully we might be able to fix that refrigerator. Kind of want to put it here in the garage when it's finished. But my grandpa's back. He's been giving him some issues. So we kind of figured instead of working out here, we would work in the house this weekend. So we're gonna see if we can get it painted tomorrow. We bought paint earlier. We'll show you all that. For anybody wondering, it is sea salt. It's the name of the color. Really nice. I'll show you all that when we get back. But anyway, I guess we're gonna head down there and see what all we can find. Alright guys, so here's now the next day. Last night we went and got some sandpaper for that, and some other stuff, but started already. Took the curtains down, and I will show y'all what we got in here. Okay, so I got some sandpaper. I got some stuff to patch holes in the wall, and then this is our paint that we got. So yeah, we got some of those, but this is what we're going to be using in here. So I guess we're going to get to work and start sanding. Alright guys, so we've removed all of the blinds here. I've been doing some sanding on these walls here, while my grandpa has been patching holes. I've been sanding, and this particular hole right here, I will tell y'all, you notice how it's nice and it's rather round right there. That is a 22 hole. Years ago, my grandpa was cleaning a gun, shot a hole in the wall. But we went ahead and got that filled in. So now, and also we got a big hole over there, but also patched. he's looking for something to try to take these baseboards off and do a little less damage than he did on that wall. So he's gonna go look for that. We gotta let that stuff dry over there, and I guess we can get back to sanding. Alright guys, so as you can see here, now it's just me. Family friend come over, well, a guy that my grandpa used to work with, come over. They visited for a little bit. Then his brother come over and got a 4-wheeler battery that we was charging for him. Oh, there he is. And then the guy with the POS Monte Carlo come over, and he had to go put brakes on it. But I got all the baseboards off without poking holes in the wall. Got these off, the 2 on the side there, because there's like a little closet thing here. Got those 2 off, that one off on that little wall right there, and then this one all the way down. You can see it here, and then the others. And I'm going to tell you, these little nail strips that they use for, this is what they use for your carpet, if you're ever wondering. Little nail strips, nail to the floor, and then all these little nails stick into the carpet there. So it holds your carpet down. Them things are mean. Cut my grandpa's finger open real bad, and a pout got me a couple times. But I'm gonna do some more sanding and should be able to start painting. Alright, so got those off. My grandpa got that one off, and he got that one off. I got this one, and if you're wondering, no, I did not forget. Those 2, also got those off as well. Got that one, these 2, that one there, and this one. So we should be good now. I just filled in a couple more holes here that I had found, and I really need to get these, but I don't know if he wants to leave those or not, but we'll figure that out when he gets back. But I guess other than some sanding, I need to pull these outlet covers off. I think we're gonna get new ones anyway, so not a big deal. But we need to get these off. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, something like that. Probably 8 to pull off, and then we should be good to start painting. So we're getting there, slowly but surely. One thing that I thought was funny is we went and got some of that spackling at Lowe's, and my grandpa bought this tub, and he said, yeah, that should be more than plenty, 16-ounce tub of spackle. Well, if we take this lid off, set that there, that is all that remains. So it's actually a good thing I didn't knock any more holes in the wall pulling those baseboards off, because we wouldn't have had enough. Now Lowe's is still open. It is, let me look. Alright, so I just looked. It is currently 4:15 on Sunday. So Lowe's is still open, but we kind of wanted to paint today. I don't think that's going to happen. We were moving pretty good until people started showing up. But it's all good. It is what it is. So I almost think what we're probably going to do is maybe try to paint tomorrow when he gets home from work, or I might try to do some painting during the day tomorrow. I need to do a bunch of stuff on the computer So I'll see if I can get a chance to. But anyway, and he does want to keep the wallpaper border here. I don't care for it, but he wants to keep it, so we'll keep it. We got some tape to take those off somewhere. I don't know. But anyway, guys, I think we're gonna try to finish prepping today, and then depending on what time he gets back, we might try to do some painting, but I don't think we're gonna get finished today. So, like I said, it is what it is. It's not like a super rush thing. Just kind of wanted to get it done this weekend. But hey, stuff happens. Nothing ever goes to plan. Y'all should know this by now. But anyway, guys, I guess I will give y'all an update here in a bit, and we'll see where we can get to today. Alright, so we took a bit of a break from working on the inside of the house. We're going to put the white truck on a battery tender. But I figured while we're moving it, we can get some pictures of it with the 6.0. So we're going to do that real quick, and then we're going to go back and get to work. Alright, guys, so as y'all can see, it's getting a bit late. We moved the white truck. It's down there on the charger. So we'll let it charge. And that charger we got is a charger and maintainer. So hopefully it'll be good. But we're gonna go eat. Call that a day. I will throw a picture or a couple pictures I just took up on the screen right now. So that's pretty much what we got to. So I think there's a couple more spots that we need to sand. Got all the outlet covers off, so that's good to go. We put most of this, or some of the furniture back in where we have somewhere to sit and watch TV and all that. So anyway, like I said, we're gonna go eat. Gotta get groceries, all the typical Sunday stuff. And I think this week we're gonna try to do some painting. I think we had talked about doing it like one wall at a time one day after he gets off work. I don't know, we'll just have to see. I would work on it during the day, but I can't move some of that stuff by myself. So that's kind of where we're at with that. But anyway, guys, that's going to be a wrap for this video. Like I said, we should be ready to paint. All we got to do is wipe the walls down, let them dry, and like I said, we should be good to paint. There's dust everywhere, and I mean everywhere. But we'll wipe them down as we're ready to paint, and then we'll go from there. We are going to have to get new baseboards because those just busted all to crap. So we'll get some of those sometime. Not worried about it right now because we still got to put the flooring down in there. So it's not a big deal. But anyway, guys, it's going to be a wrap for today's video. If you guys enjoyed today's video or found it helpful, please drop a like and comment down below. Smash that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope everybody has a great day. Stay tuned, as we're nowhere near done. And I have a feeling it's going to turn out pretty nice. And we need to get to work on the garage. Need a storage building for this, though. I'll get all that stuff out. But anyway, guys, like I was saying, thanks for watching, and I will catch y'all on the next one.